Uh, the question is student grades, and the level of question is easy. Okay, so here we have given a problem statement that is given marks of students in 5 subjects, and you need to find the grade he or she would get on the basis of the percentage obtained. Grades computed are as follows. Okay, so here are given some conditions. That is, if the percentage of student is greater than equals to 80, then we have to print A grade. And if the percentage of student is less than 80 and greater than equals to 60, that means we have to print grade B. And if the percentage is less than 60 and greater than equals to 40, then we have to print grade C. And at the end, we have to print grade D. Okay, so in input, we have given 5 integers, that is marks of students in 5 subjects, and here the constraints are given. The minimum marks is should be 1 and maximum marks should be 100. Okay, in each subjects. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to print the grades obtained by him or her. Let's see, here are some sample inputs are given. Okay, okay, so in this question we have to uh, print the grade of the students. Okay, so let's understand the question. Okay, so first what we need to do, we have given the marks of students in 5 subjects. That means like A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, also we have given the marks of 5 students. So what we need to do, we have to calculate the grade for the student. So first what we need to do, we have to calculate the total marks. So to calculate the total marks of the students, we have to add the marks of each subject. That means to calculate the total, we have to add the marks of each subject. That means A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Okay, so here we will get the total marks of the students. Now, after calculating the total marks, we have to calculate the percentage. Okay, percentage of a student. So, how we can calculate the percentage? That is simply we can divide the total number of subjects. We can divide the total marks by the total number of subject. That means here are 5 subjects are given, so we will calculate the percentage total divided by 5. Okay, so we calculate the percentage. Now after calculating the percentage, now we have to check these conditions to print the grades. Okay, so Okay, so the first condition is if the percentage of marks is greater than equals to 80. That means अगर स्टूडेंट के परसेंटेज जो है स्टूडेंट के ग्रेटर देन 80 आते हैं, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमको प्रिंट करना है ग्रेड ए. ओके, सो अगर स्टूडेंट के परसेंटेज 80 से अबव है तो हमको स्टूडेंट का ग्रेड ए प्रिंट करना है. ओके, एंड let's see what is the second condition. Second condition is percentage is less than 80 and greater than equals to 60. So in this condition we have to check अगर स्टूडेंट के परसेंटेज जो है 60 या फिर 60 के अबव रहते हैं एंड 80 से बिलो रहते हैं तो हमको ग्रेड बी प्रिंट करना है. So here what we have to check in the second condition, here percentage of student is less than 80, as well as what we need to check, we have to add AND operator, and we have to check the second condition, that is percentage is less than 80 but greater than equals to 60, greater than equals to 60. So in this case we have to print grade B. Okay, that is the second condition. Now we have given the third condition, that is if percentage is less than 60 and greater than equals to 40, then print grade C. So okay, so यहाँ पे अगर स्टूडेंट के जो परसेंटेज है 40 से ज्यादा रहते हैं एंड 60 से कम रहते हैं तो उस केस में हमको ग्रेड सी प्रिंट करना है. ओके, सो थर्ड इज percentage of student is less than 60 and percentage of student is greater than equals to 40. So in this case we have to print grade C. Okay, that is the third condition, and if both of these conditions are not true, then at the end we have to print grade D. Grade D. Okay, so that is the whole code of conditions of our program. Now let's try to code the. Okay, so here first what we have to do, we have to take the marks of 5 subjects. So for that we'll take one scanner class, scanner sc equals to new scanner. Okay, and in bracket system.in. Okay, now we have to take the marks of 5 students. So we'll take the 5 variables to take the marks for marks of students. So first integer a equals to sc dot next int. Okay, sc dot next int. Okay, now second one integer b equals to sc dot next int. Okay, that is for second subject. Now integer c equals to sc dot next int. Okay, now for fourth subject, integer d equals to sc dot next int. Okay, now for fifth subject, integer e equals to sc dot next int. Okay, so we have taken the input marks from the user for 5 subjects. Now we have to calculate the total marks of the students. So we'll calculate the total. So first declare integer total equals to, and we'll add a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Okay, so we have calculated the total mark of the student. Okay, now we calculate the percentage of the student. So we'll take one variable to store the percentage equals to, okay, so total divided by 5. Okay, so we have calculated the percentage. Okay, now we'll check the condition. We'll check for the first condition. So we'll write the if statement. So in if statement, we'll write percentage is greater than equals to 80. Okay, if the percentage of student is greater than 80, then what we need to do, we need to print system dot out dot println, and we'll print the grade A. Okay, that is for the first condition. Now we have to write the second condition, that is the percentage is less than 80 and greater than equals to 60. So here we'll write one else if condition, else if percentage, first we have to check percentage is less than 80, and then and percentage is greater than equals to 60. Okay, if that is the condition, then now so we'll print system dot out dot println. Okay, and we'll print the grade B. Okay, Now we'll write the second condition, that is if the percentage is less than 60 and greater than equals to 40. So here we'll write one more else if condition, else if, and in bracket we'll write percentage is less than 60. Okay, and percentage greater than equals to 40. Okay, so if uh, a student of marks of student in is in this uh, condition, we have to print system dot out dot println, and will print the grade C. Okay, okay, and at the end we write else, and will print system dot out dot println right. Okay, grade D. Okay, okay, now we have done with our code. Okay, now let's try to run the code. Okay, so here input is given, so we'll copy the input and we'll okay, so first we'll give the input in input, and let's try to run the code, and let's see what output which will show. Okay, run. Now our code is running. Okay, so output, let's see the output. Okay, let's see, output is showing A, that means grade A, that is the percentage of student is above 80, so the grade A is printed. Now let's try to submit our code. Click on submit, and let's see our test cases will pass or not. Now test cases are running. See all the test cases are passed. Okay, so that's it.